In a beautiful castle in a faraway land lived a happy king named Cookie. This cutie pie is King Cookie's lovely daughter, Sophia.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the slickest chick of all?
You are, babe, and that's not all.
King Cookie also had a beautiful nightingale named Florence. Say, Florence, sing for me. Higher! Higher! Florence, my beautiful singing bird.
What happened, Big Daddy?
Florence, she has kicked the bucket.
The king will give his daughter's hand in marriage to any man who will bring him a singing bird. Oh, boy! The king's daughter for a singing bird.
You looking for a singing bird? I'm a singing bird.
Yeah. Can you whistle?
Oh, sure. Listen.
I mean whistle like a bird.
Oh, sure. Come closer. You ready?
I'm gonna get a singing bird, and I'm gonna marry the king's daughter. That woodpecker, he can sing. Gadzooks, I can hear them wedding bells now. Your Highness, I bring you a singing bird.
Good, good.
Some bird seed to bait the trap. And when I hear the bell ring, I got him. Brains.
More brains. Wonder what he's got in the box.
Here you are, your royal kingship. A singing bird. Here's your singing bird, King Cookie. How about your daughter's hand?
I want to hear him sing. And if he doesn't, off with your head.
Start singing. Come on, sing.
Yeah, to the guillotine.
That dirty rat think, Woodpecker.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of the fair?
You are, Dolly, but beware. If you are not married by midnight, you will be turned into a witch.
A witch at midnight. Oh, my gosh. Don't lose your head, Fred.
Phew.
Come on, we gotta hurry. You are going to a wedding. King Cookie, you want a singing bird? I've decided to sing for you, so he can marry your lovely daughter.
Yeah.
Oh, goody, goody. On with the wedding. You're on, little bird. Start singing.
Ahem. Me. That's the Woody Woodpecker song.
We are gathered here to join this boisterous and troublemaking in a cold and blinding kingdom.
He's a-pecking it all day long. Oh, boy. In 2 minutes, she'll be a witch. Now it doesn't make sense for the devil to dance on the Lady Woodpecker's long for. It's the Woody Woodpecker song. Okay, let's finish the wedding.
And now place the ring on her finger.
Oh, yeah, the ring.
Hurry it up with the ring.
Oh, yeah.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
Kiss me!
Hold it, Cookie. You haven't lost a daughter. You've gained a witch.
Coming up.